Oh shit. That Konigsberg using AP, bro. Very interesting that he shot there. The faster that Konigsberg dies, the better. I think he's stocked too. There's a 3-minute match and your team won. There you go, man. The kind where you just go, okay. I guess we're done. GG's. So that was some pretty long-range torp, which kind of sucks, but man, well, they fucking spot me, that's for sure. This is getting annoying. Kind of nervous right now though, because these guys know where I am. I mean, of course I'm in the smoke, blah blah blah. And I'm nervous about torpedoes. Hook me up with a press badge? This Monsuki just wants to be such a sneaky Japanese destroyer. That's all he wants to be. Talked to his guidance counselor, they told him this is the best job to be, and it's all he wants. He doesn't want to shoot his guns, he doesn't want any of that. He just wants to be a sneaky Japanese destroyer. It's like, you know what? They're like, Jimmy, what do you like to do? I like to shoot my torpedoes and that's it. Well, you should try maybe thinking this. Get an internship with the Japanese destroyer firm. We get A stock. I don't have any idea. I'm gonna try to get B now. Oh. Nice dodge. Nice, got some kills. And you got Jessica. Okay, hopefully those guys will start heading towards that. We'll hopefully take out this Izukaze. Hopefully we can get one without Jessica taking like any torpedoes. I wish I knew if I was spotted. There you go. Nice kill. Man, he murdered somebody. Stop eating aliens. Yeah, dude, what are you doing? Pretty sure I got stomach flu. This one has... Oh, boy. Alright, Jessica takes care of those torps. Okay, we'll try to knock out maybe his propulsion or something like that. I don't know. Jessica will probably even be able to kill him. Just basically head south. Just starts nicking him down, that's fine. She's gonna get him nice. Good kill. We'll head to B now. They still have a Clemson, which I can probably take even 1v1. Even with my 3k life, I'm probably still okay. It depends on how beat up he is. Trying to think if I can get there. Bilgar, what's up, man? Stop eating aliens, yeah, dude. How much life does that destroyer have? Alright, what do we have? It's a Bogue. I kind of wish you would have saved it, maybe for dropping on that destroyer, but it's a Nicholas too. I just hope he takes some damage from the secondaries and whatnot. I would love to get some cap, though. We're on almost 40 knots, so we should be able to get there relatively quickly. How much life does he have? Hopefully not too much. Ah, that's not too bad. "16 kilometers. I'm almost there. I'd love to get an assisted cap too. That'd be so nice. Should I be greedy? I'm being so greedy right now. I'm being such a greedy bitch right now. Come on, you bitch, Cap. All right, I'm coming, dude. I swear, I wasn't wasting time or anything crazy. All right, he just needs. Yeah, I know, man. Hopefully the secondaries on New Mexico will start doing some damage to him. That'd be nice. That Congo's pretty fucked. Man, he took like no damage from secondaries, which really sucks. Look, Clemson has torps on both sides too. EUOP? Eh, I wouldn't say EUOP. What's this guy doing? Where is he? I don't know, maybe he was like trying to be like, maybe if I'm really close to this guy, he won't shoot at me. No cracking for you, Mr. Man. Tried your best, though. So close, yet so far. You tried, Mr. Man. Now, what do I do now, boys? Do I go for the YOLO, or do I just smoke and shoot a million shots? I think that's what I do. Okay, adorable tater aim. Best DD EU. I don't want to be best DD. You guys gotta stop saying that. I'm not best DD anywhere. I'm not even best DD Michigan. Get out of here, YOLO. And I think I'm. If we had a lot more like people, then maybe YOLO Ram. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do the asshole smoke and fire. For no damage, apparently. I agree. However, things are in your hands. There you go. That dude's on so much fire right now. Best EU at the time. Yeah, right. He's not even looking at you, YOLO. Well, if it wasn't... If we had a couple more people, I probably would. What's up, Chalk? I'm gonna try something. Ooh, holy shit. Did you guys just see that? Almost 2,600 from a Farragut on a New Mexico? Wow. That's a lot of damage. That's a lot of damage. GG. 8 kills in our division. That's Craigasm. Can we get a Jashfap in chat, please? Jashfap in chat, please. Oh, dude, I knew I could do it. Look at that. 2 times. Bingo bango, bros. We got that XP. Already retrained. Golden. 1 game in, bros. Broadside, best side it is. Just like that. Claude's retrained. Does wonders against anything, no matter